Hello viewers, welcome to IT Service, Learn IT Tips and Troubleshooting. Today I'm showing how to fast slow computer or laptop. First of all, Ctrl Alt Delete, click your keyboard, then open Task Manager, going to start off. Now you can see many other programs are on in background. Now we can disable unusual apps. Will go and disable drive. Okay, it's enabled. But others programs may be disable or free your RAM or processor speed. Now maybe increase your computer speed. Now second thing, visual effect optimization. This time we are going to settings and click advanced system settings. Now and click performance option settings. You may click customs and uncheck all of the animation control or animation related close, uncheck or adjust for best performance. Then click, then OK. Why suggest SSD for a laptop or desktop? First of all, you you may check this image. SSD faster than more than 5 times faster SSD versus SSD. SSD read data speed 5 times faster. So we can suggest use SSD for your laptop or desktop. Option temp file clean. Click settings, then click system. First of all, going to storage and just turn off this option. Nothing to do this time, just off. Second, type run. This time we'll click temp, then OK. Now we can see many other files to use your RAM. So you just click Ctrl A, then delete. This work for clean your temporary file or free your RAM and processor speed. Now second, click run %temp %. Then hit OK. Now you can see many other files to use your RAM. So clean this, simply delete and continue. Yeah, yes. Then next one, disk cleaning. Search button, click type disk cleanup. Then now we can clean C drive, clean. Then OK, calculating your garbage data, what to do, clean. Now you can see 200 MB your unused and necessary data are stored C drive. Now we can clean. Just Just click OK. Then delete files. Your C drive, cleanup utility will clean unnecessary files on your machine. Now clean your C drive. Now unused apps clean. That means unnecessary apps on your PC or laptop, just uninstall it. Supposed to be Apple device or iTunes. I don't use last couple of days, so I uninstall iTunes. Yeah, you may need this types of apps you don't use. Just uninstall it. Now you can check disk defragment and analysis. Then search button, click disk defragment and optimization drives. Just every drive, click and click optimize. Okay. Every drive, just click and optimize. Just click and optimize. Optimize. Now you can set a schedule. Just click send setting and run analyze schedule. Frequently, I can set a daily or optimize drive and select drive. All of drive are selected. Just OK and close. Every day your disk defragmentation process automatically finished. That's enough today. Thank you for watching. Watching full video for more tips. Like, comment, share and subscribe us.